seeing so many stars tonight, 166 stars. You are the stars. And 22 newly created stars, newly inducted. Stars are born tonight. That's why it's dark outside, because all the stars are here inside.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Maayong gabi. Good evening to all my fellow leaders in Rotary. The preparation and legwork of this event is not a small feat to take alone, but I am happy to say that I have with me my fellow leaders who took the helm, the tiller, and driving force behind all of these.
Our 13, total of 13 club presidents, past and present assistant governors. Of course, our Councilor Attorney Marlene. Of course, the aunts of our Rotarians, and all our esteemed guests. Thank you for making this night more meaningful with your presence.
Something good, something noble, something true, something right. That for me is Rotary. Rotary for me is the realization of my childhood ideal of community service and fellowship.
That's what heaven feels like.
Finally, we also expect you to give us an inspiration that will make us better, will become better Rotarians. Are you willing to take your oath despite all these charges and obligations?
Congratulations to the newly inducted members of the Rotary Clubs of Zone 2.
And above all, let us not forget to give thanks to our Almighty Creator for the blessings of life, fellowship, and the opportunity to serve and make a difference. So tonight, let us celebrate friendship, unity, and service. Let's have fun, enjoy the evening, and continue to unite for good. Mabuhay ang Rotary, mabuhay ang District 370, mabuhay si Governor Marlo Silicios.
That's what heaven feels like.